Okay, here I'm at Lee's house, and we're going to press the first bearing on the shaft, which is the synchronizer collar and the blocker with the little springs and ball bearings in it. And Lee, which way it goes, you see there's the little oil hole right there in the middle. Going to line up with that. Okay, so Lee's going to, we have the half moon key already in on the other side. So go ahead.
And this can't be separate. This can't be allowed to separate.
Okay, yeah, all the springs and ball bearings will come out. So go ahead, place it in place. And the little hole is lined up with the oil hole.
Okay.
See, turn around. Where's the little Woodruff key? That's what you call them, Woodruff. Okay.
Woodruff.
Woodruff.
Yep.
All right, so now all we got to do is go and press that on. Okay, let's head to the press. That's the first one. I have one. All right, fixing to line up, press the first blocker and synchronizer collar on the shaft. We have them set in there. There we go.
Gotta move this to get it aligned. Is that thing solid? No, that's got a hole in it.
You ready?
Still
We
need to
got,
center
okay,
it.
this is how we got it. We got, and what's that, a 3/4?
Yeah, deep socket.
Deep 3/4 deep socket inside the shaft, and then we have another socket over that socket to that. We have the shaft, the blocker, the collar synchronizer, and we have to press it all the way up to here. All right. Okay, Lee. We have to do all of this and making sure all the springs and ball bearings don't come out the blocker. And it's going down. That's creepy.
It is.
Almost there. Heard it? I heard it.
Yep.
Check it.
That's pretty sure that's
That's
bottomed
it.
out.
We're
Yeah.
good.
I didn't go too tight, but I have a lot of resistance.
All right. Just make sure the blocker stays on. Okay, doke. Can leave it right there, and or that, or see what we're gonna put on next. Let me go check it out. All right, we're putting the clutches on the blocker. We're gonna line them up. Lee.
I would have mentioned these space in that. So
Okay, yeah, we got some little spacers under the blocker. That's gonna hold it from sliding off and losing all the bearings and springs. Okay, let's go ahead and put those on. And everything has got hydraulic oil on it. Use one disc and then one spacer. Another disc. And another spacer. And now we're going to put the last disc 3 disc, 2 spacers. Now we're going to put the drum on top of that. Okay.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Next goes the gear. Is it down all the way?
I don't think it is.
Not down all the way. Okay, we have to work on that for a second. The high range gear. Goes on next. The blockers. There you go. And next will be the bearing. All right. We're going to set up to press the bearing on.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Push this a little bit more that way, but we're pretty close. It might go good enough.
All right. So, putting on the front bearing. All right. There it is. Okay, we're outside on the table and Lee is helping me assemble the clutches on the shaft. We have the high range gear on and the outside bearing on. And in between here we got some rope holding a space between the drum right here and the shaft, so the drum doesn't fall down and all the clutches fall out, the springs fall and ball bearings fall out. And we have everything oiled up with some hydraulic oil, and Lee is putting the clutches in like this. There's one. Okay, we got one clutch, one spacer, another clutch, another spacer, spacer number 2, and clutch number 3. Next goes the drum. Oh, you need oil. I should have done that for you.
I don't mind.
Some hydraulic oil on the inside of the drum.
John Deere hydraulic oil.
John Deere.
High gold.
Expensive stuff. All right, see if we can get that all together.
Voila.
Awesome. That looks good. All right, we're gonna tape those two together so they don't come apart. And then we're gonna go next, put the low range gear on. And then the reverse gear.
Yep.
Okay, next. All right, we're ready to press on the reverse collar gear. All right, Lee, go ahead.
I think it's touching.
All right. That's it. We're getting close now. There we go. Next will be the, we got to put the reverse collar on, and then the reverse gear, and then the snap ring. Or no, a snap ring goes on now. Got to put another snap ring on. Okay, we've got the last piece of the puzzle on. Fixing to press the last bearing on, and what we have here is, you'll see the reverse gear right there, and just above it there's a reverse collar, and yeah, that part, and that's part of the reverse gear right there. And we're pressing on the last bearing. Okay, Lee, go ahead and press her on.
I have to change sockets in a minute.
Okay.
Another deep socket.
Okay.
That's it.
See a little space. Okay, let's check it out. See if there's enough room for the snap ring. Well, we got it all done. I want to thank Lee.
You're welcome.
Whole bunch. It's all back together, and next step we'll be installing it on the tractor. Thanks a lot, Lee.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.